Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subnautica multiplayer. First, understand that Subnautica does not natively support multiplayer, so we will use a combination of tools. We'll leverage Hamachi to create a secure virtual local area network, allowing your friends to connect as if they were on your home network. Additionally, a special community-developed mod is essential to enable the actual multiplayer experience within the game itself. This process involves just a few straightforward steps to get you and your friends exploring the ocean together. Now, let's get your Hamachi network ready. Begin by downloading and installing the Hamachi application from its official source onto your computer. Once installed, open Hamachi and choose to create a new network. You'll need to provide a unique network ID and a strong password. After your network is established, share both the network ID and the password with everyone who wishes to join your Subnautica adventure. They will use these details to connect to your virtual private network. Next, we need to install the essential multiplayer mod. Search for and download the most recent version of the Nitrox multiplayer mod, which is specifically designed for Subnautica. Once downloaded, extract all the mod files directly into your main Subnautica game directory. It is absolutely crucial that every single player who intends to join your game installs this exact same version of the mod. Inconsistencies can prevent successful connections and gameplay. Finally, it's time to connect and dive into the alien ocean. The host player should launch Subnautica and then start the Nitrox multiplayer server from within the game. Once the server is running, all other players can join by entering the host's Hamachi IP address into their game's connection menu. With everyone successfully connected, you are now ready to explore the beautiful, yet dangerous, depths of Subnautica as a team. Enjoy your shared underwater adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.